Hi and welcome in a new video of Web Development Roadmap series. In this video I'll be talking about JavaScript. So I will answer 8 questions that have been asking about JavaScript. If you haven't watched the first video in this series, make sure you watch it first. So let's get into it. Let's start with what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level programming language, one of the most popular programming language in the whole world. So it's grown faster than any other programming language. JavaScript designed to work only on browsers. And finally, from its name, it's obvious. It's a scripting language, so it's easy to learn and also to use. What you can do with JavaScript. JavaScript can help you to build a dynamic interactive web pages. It can be used in server-side as well, instead of server-side programming languages like PHP and Python. With JavaScript, you can build an entire web and phone applications. Not just that, but also you can build games. What are the most websites that use JavaScript? YouTube, LinkedIn, PayPal, Netflix, Walmart. What is the advantage that you can get after you learn JavaScript? You can have a job as front-end web developer, back-end web developer, full-stack web developer with a perfect salary. Let me see the salary for JavaScript developer. So let me now search for JavaScript web developer, and here we want salaries and the location USA, New York. So here is the average salary for JavaScript web developer, 82K per year. Okay, this time let me search about just JavaScript developer. So the average salary for JavaScript developer, not JavaScript web developer. So he can develop web applications, phone applications, or any kind of applications that can be developed using JavaScript. So the average salary is 122K per year, and consider you have more experience, so your salary will be 131K per year. That's a lot of money. Okay, let me now head back to the video to see what else we have about JavaScript. What are the most popular JavaScript frameworks? Indeed, there are many JavaScript frameworks, but the most popular Vue.js, Angular.js, React.js, jQuery, and Node.js. But the most required from all those, React and Angular. And I recommend you this video will help you to select your JavaScript framework. Now, what is the difference between Java and JavaScript? Not because they both start with Java so they are similar, or JavaScript named after Java. JavaScript designed just to run on browser, so it can create a web pages or web applications. But Java used in a wide range area. It used in Android applications, credit card programming, and finally desktop applications. And also Java code must be compiled, so there is no any kind of similarity between both. Finally, let us see what is the alternative of JavaScript. If all what I mentioned in this video not enough to convince you to start learning JavaScript. Okay, I will mention 4 languages and you can research, but I promise you will figure out that JavaScript and its frameworks are the best. So there are CoffeeScript, TypeScript, Elm, and finally Dart. Dart is Google's product and also developed by Google. So that's everything about JavaScript. In the next video I will talk about PHP. But if you have any other topic, you can tell me in the comments. So consider subscribing and hit the bell to get my new web development videos once it got published. See you.